So this is the process for creating a new PowerSchool account. If you have a parent PowerSchool account, you can create a unified classroom account that goes along with it. Note, if you've been using your students' login, meaning when you go to this area and you click PowerSchool for Parents and then you click on Students, that means you don't need to create an account using this method. You first need to learn the credentials of your real parent PowerSchool account. Each child gets a PowerSchool account that links to their classes and their textbooks and has certain features. Each parent has an account that allows them to access all of their students and set up additional settings, such as notifications. So both of them get you to the unified classroom and give you full access to grade data, but all of the students need to use their student account and all the parents need to use their parent account, especially during this unified classroom login creation. Okay, to get started, from the district website, you go to PowerSchool, and you're going to click on Click Here to access PowerSchool for Parents. All right, at this button, you're going to click Parent Sign In. Now, if you've been using your student login information that your students gave to you, which is first initial, last name, and their lunch pin, stop here. Do not go past that point. We will have to work with the guidance office to get you access to your parent credentials. Okay, but if you have all that, if you log in using your own email address and other information, you can go ahead and click on Parent Sign In at this point. All right, on this screen, the next step is to come down and say Create an Account here. It is then going to ask you to fill out information to set up your new PowerSchool ID. Okay, so if you clicked on Parents, you're going to put your first name, the adult's first name and last name, your home email address, password. You're going to confirm your password again. Double check that you spell your email right, because frequently we find mistakes in here, and since it doesn't ask you to type it twice, it's easy to make a mistake. Okay. After that, you're going to get a notice that says that's easy, you're all set. Your email is going to be here. Now this email is taken. Now you're going to be able to sign in using that PowerSchool ID. Okay, now on the next screen, it tells you your account is not connected to your student, and it wants you to select one of the options below. Do you have a student access code? Do you have a username and password in the district's PowerSchool parent portal? Here's the difference. If you've been logging in using your email or personal credentials into the PowerSchool portal, you're ready to go. If guidance has given you a set of random numbers, those are student access codes. That's how we link kids to your account. Okay, so I'm going to click on I have a username and password in my district's PowerSchool parent portal. Also to note, if you have one kid already in the system, you're going here. If you have new access codes, you're going to do that later. Okay, but if you already have any kid in the PowerSchool system, you're going to start here. You're already in business. That's going to take you here to sign in to link your account. Here's where you're going to type in your previous PowerSchool credentials, which you've normally logged in with. Not what you've used, not what you just created, but what you've had in the past. And again, not your student login information. Okay, so not the first initial, last name, and lunch pin, your own parent personal information. Once you've completed this sign-in process, it will take you to your parent PowerSchool Unified Classroom dashboard. If you need to add students using another access code, that's going to be done inside of Settings. In the settings inside your new Unified Classroom account.